Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, some bearish flow today, and we did have a small red DEX, but I want to point something out and why we always talk about taking a look at flow line. As you can see, for a good portion of the day, calls were over puts on a couple of our DTEs before that late day dump there. So always a good idea to keep an eye on flow line if you're not seeing consistency through the 0-day flow. Obviously, we had no conversions. When that is gray, price is likely moving contrary to that current flow. So jumping into our next portion, our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Still nothing above on our whale targets. So interesting look there. Let's see if one pops up. We did see 700 flash on Sunday, but it has since disappeared. 660 is currently the bottom, which we obviously got close to and wicked off of last week. Jumping into our dark pools, 683, 684, 684, all roughly around the same area. Not a whole lot of prints there, but something to keep an eye on as they are above current price, these two at least. Jumping into our dark pools, our largest on the ag has finally walked up to 682. It's been sitting around 671, 672 for quite a while now, and now it is finally up near price for the first time in a while. All right, we're sitting at 683.66 in the overnight session, so let's see what that looks like for us. So we're sitting right here above this level. On the ag, easiest look possible, hold 683, bullish flow, we go to 690. Lose 683, we get into a choppy range at 683 to 681. Then on down to 678. We're not going to worry about all these quite yet, unless we see a bunch of bearish flow. Our biggest pull is currently still down and to the left at 660, though. Important to note there, if we start to get a bunch of bearish flow, and then, of course, probably some sort of data bomb, informational bomb binary event that drops us down into that pull. But for now, we're just going to worry about this range right here, the 672 to 690. And see where we line out for tomorrow, 11/12. So tomorrow, 11/12, not too different of a picture. Instead of holding 683, we need to hold 680. Still this positive cluster right here, though. So roughly the same as the ag. So really we need to hold 680 or 678 on bullish flow to get up to 685. So a little bit short of that 690 we saw. And if we lose all of these, then we head down to that 672 that we saw in the ag as well. Biggest pull is still down and to the left at 677 here, so keep an eye there. Some pretty simple looks. We'll update everything tomorrow as updates roll through, get our charts out early, and then talk about what we see in net flow and all of our levels. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.